Welcome back to our super cute cartoon character series where we're just doing very simple characters of everyday sort of items and things around us and adding a cute face. So today we're going to have a go at doing a cloud character. And we're going to start off by, you guessed it, doing a cloud shape. So when we're doing these, it's always good to mix them up. Big and smaller, just to make it look more interesting, but you can do it whichever way you like. And I'm just using round shapes and coming to a point and then doing another one. Do one big one and then one small one like that. So I might make it a bit more even. So it's okay to change things. If you're drawing, just draw nice and lightly. And you can always rub out and fix things up. So we've got our cloud shape. Now once we've done our shape, we're just going to add in a simple cartoon face. And I'm going to put it right in the middle. So I'm going to do some nice big round circles for eyes. So do them for me. You could do really big ones if you wanted. That would work as well. But I quite like the smaller ones because I think it just makes the character look a bit more cuter for some reason. And then once we've done our eyes, we're going to add in one big circle, one small circle, big circle, small circle, and we can come along and you can either add colour, and I wonder what sort of eyes, colour eyes you might give your cloud. And then we could do some eyebrows. Could just do some lines like that if you wanted, or if you wanted to be a bit fancier, we could add, might make it a bit bigger, some eyebrows like that, and then you could colour them in if you wanted. Again, they could be black. So you've got a few options there, but I think I might, just to keep it really simple, we'll just do some lines. Now, for our mouth, we could do a couple of things. I'm not going to give him a mouth like this. He's going to look really crazy. And if I was going to make him look crazy, I could even give him a mouth that has the same sort of shape as the cloud. So that could work all right. But we want to make him cute, or her cute. So we could add a little mouth like that. You can even add a little tongue if you wanted. Or teeth, or we can add a mouth like this, which we often see with manga characters. So it's a straight line and then a curved line underneath. Now if you're doing a girl character, you can add eyelashes, and we just add some curved lines like this, probably big to small. So big to small would work quite well, but if you don't want to do that, that's fine. And then the last thing we can add is some lines like this, which will sort of look like parts of the cloud. And if you want to, and I'll just add a couple, we could add raindrops. And of course you could add hundreds of these if you wanted to. Now there is another lesson on raindrops with a face, a raindrop with a face. So you could even combine these two in one picture. And there's our cloud with a cute face. So I hope you enjoyed that lesson. We've got plenty more coming, so please subscribe to the channel so you get notified every week when we put a new lesson up. We're doing a variety of characters, so you're welcome to put a comment under this of characters you might like me to do either in this super cute series or one of the other sort of characters we're doing. Underneath the video there is some information for you on our Easy Cartoon Drawing School. We've got all these videos, but they're a course, so you can do them and give me feedback. You can post your picture to me, ask me questions. And there's also a colouring sheet and quiz with that. There's also a link to our Facebook group which you can join, or your mum and dad can join to post pictures if you're a younger drawer. And I'll give you direct feedback, and I'll also be posting lessons in that group so we can sort of be actively doing things there. And there's a link to online lessons as well, so plenty there to check out. So please come back and check out what's new every week. We're going to be aiming to put... So please come back and check out any new lessons. Feel free to give me feedback, and I hope you had fun doing this, and happy cartooning.